Good morning all. Previous topic we have already covered up about uh, data file handling with the text file and read and write mode. And now we'll continue with the data file handling with the some pickle functions and binary file with the data some functions. So writing method we have already discussed about it, how to write from Python program to text file and binary file. Text and binary both file can be written by using programming. So write method, what does, whatever you are using any Python program with the write function, you can write your data into a hard disk. So write method and write lines also, read and read line also. There are two types for reading read and read lines. For writing also, it will write all data into a file in a hard disk and write line just like a paragraph, any format of text that can be stored in a hard disk. So here write method for sending data in a file to create. What does it to create your file? Write in the file. First it creates with the whatever you have given a file name. You have to mention W for write. Write file with the write and write lines method can be used. Both you can use. It will write sequence of character. It will write the paragraph, any format of text will write into a hard disk. So write method takes a string as a parameter. Whatever you are taking a string, any value, any characters that takes as a method as a argument and write it into a file. So for storing data with the end of line. What is end of line? Previous whatever you have inserted. After last record you can insert also with the append command, and characters you will have to add /n. What is the use of /n? Previous program also you have already done in a class 11. So /n means whatever you are writing your text will be moved to the next line. Character to the end of string. Whatever you are using your file, any data, any text which you want to store in a file, in a last you have to write a /n means your text will be ended with the end of the string. This means this is the end of the string. It will move to the cursor in a next line. See here, write method. We have already done this program. With the def I am using here. Def. What is def? Def is a keyword. What is def? This is a function I am using with the data file handling. Def is a keyword. File underscore handle. This is a file name. With the rounded bracket you have to use with the colon. What is the use of colon? If you are using function, you have to apply a colon. If you are using a conditional statement, then you have to use a colon. If you are using a iteration looping, that you have to use a colon. So this is a function I am using here. This is a function name, user defined name. You can write here any name. Here f. What is f? This is a object variable. Any variable you can use. Equal is a assignment operator. Open text1. Test1, this is a file name. Test1 is a file name. Any name you can give. .txt. Txt is a action text. You can write a text full or txt you can write. Comma w means this is a write mode. F dot write whatever you are creating a file with the write mode. Now f dot write, this will write into your file. So this is my first Python program. Anything you can write a paragraph also with the triple quotation. It will write all the text, all the lines into a this file, test1. So now print file created. So this is only creating. Whenever you run this program, this message will be appear, nothing else. This text will not appear because this is only in a write mode. I am not using with the read mode. So write mode, only text will be stored in a hard disk in a particular file, but this message will be appear in a interactive mode. Now f dot close. F is a object which I am creating here. This must be closed. Now this file underscore handle must be call here. What is the use of here? This is a declaration and this is calling part. This is called calling part. Simple, in one line you have to write here, and calling part, same function name you have to write it on. Function is not a difficult. What is function? This is a module. Previous class already we have discussed about that is a function your topic. And what is function? Function is a module. It is a part of the program. Any program you can break down in a small module and you can create your program so that particular module can be rectified for error. So def is keyword. Just you have to use a def keyword, and this you have to take care of the rounded bracket and colon, and file name can be any. Whatever you are declaring here, that must be call. Here, which program you are using normally in a data file handling, text file with the binary file, you can write here, nothing difference. Now, use of a in a open function to append or add information into a file. A plus means to add as well as it will read and write, both mode it can be used. So see here, you can see whenever I will run that program with the write method, only interactive mode, what it will display file created. Now, if you execute the program n time, number of times, the file is opened in a W write mode, meaning it deletes the contents of the file write and press every time with the run. What does it? It is previous file. This file I am not using with the append mode. What happens? Each and every time when you run your program, this content will be removed, and next time it will come. If you getting a value with the runtime, each and every time it will be get replaced, because what does it? In a write mode, previous content by default your cursor pointer will be in a BOF. BOF means beginning of file. So it start writing from beginning of file. So whatever you have written in a file will be start overwrite in that. So text will be change each and every time. This is the fixed value I have written here. But if you are getting with the user input, so each and every time it will get replaced by the. So don't confuse. Once I have already inputted, that is not showing, new line is just showing. So it overwrite it, because cursor pointer will be in a beginning of file. So it start from writing in a beginning. So when you use append function with the a plus with the write mode, so it will previous content remain there. After last content, it will added a new line. So see here, you can directly you can view in a notepad or Python programming where it is a store, and this line will be displayed. If you execute the program number of time, the file is open in a W mode, meaning it deletes the contents of the file and write fresh every time. Whenever each and every time it will write a fresh entry. So means override the whatever you have done previously, that will be override. See the with the write method with the next. This is a def with the file name f equal open. This is a file. I am using write mode. This is one line. This is another line. And print file created. This message will be executed when you run your program only in a Python prompt. So file is a closing only. This is a calling here. So now content of the text1.txt is a change because the file is open in the W write mode, and this mode deletes all the contents and write fresh if file is exists. See previous slide I have shown to you that one line is written there. If I run again, I will assign the value here. Whatever I have assigned, this value will be replaced by the previous one. So because it is only in a write mode, only it is creating. So only this message will be displayed, nothing value will be displayed because only write mode, it is a creating mode. See this line, new line, it is appearing. Now next is a write lines method. What is write line method means? Paragraph, anything, there is so many lines are there, you can write directly into a file in a hard disk. For writing a string at a time, we use write method. It can't be used for a writing a list tuple into a file. See, with the write line, you can use dictionary number of multiple line is there, so you can use write lines also. Sequence data type can be written using a write lines method, and it's not that we can't write a string using a write lines method. So any data directly you can write with the write lines, means if there is a paragraph and long text over there, you can write a write lines with a read lines. Whatever you are using a write lines, when you want to read this data, then you have to use a read lines. Now here is a small program. F equal open. This is a file name test2.txt in a write mode. Str equal, what is str? This is a variable, this is object, this is a variable. Hello world, this slash n I have written here. This is my first file data handling. Anything which you want to write, this is a multi-line text. So f dot write lines. Such type of line, you can write a single quotation, double quotation and triple quotation in a text. If your text is a multi-line text, then you have to use a triple quotation. F dot write lines str. What is str? It is a holding multi-line text, so it will write lines here. F dot close. Once it is open, that must be closed. Now random access of method, random accessing value with the this previous class also we have discussed. I am explaining in a detail. This is for searching and this is for printing. Seek and tell, both method can be used. All the reading and writing functions discussed till now work sequentially in the file to access the content of the file randomly. Any file you can access randomly. Following methods are used. Randomly means any value, any characters, anything you can access randomly, then these two methods can be used. So first this is for searching value. Seek method can can be used to position the file object. Any file position. See, your file will be, cursor will be in a 0th position, first position. 2 means end of file. So you can place over there and file object. What is file object? Just previous slide I have written a F. I can write here F dot this seek function offset comma from what. This method you have to use. Here offset is used to calculate the position of the object. It will calculate the position of the string in the file bytes, in a bytes. How many bytes are in there? It will calculate the object bytes. Offset is added to the from what. It will be added to the this from what. And reference point means where it is referred to the pointer to get the position. First, from how many, just like a 10 characters are there, from that how many characters you want to retrieve, which position you want to mention there, that offset or from what you have to mention. I'll show you a program also, and get their position and the list of from what value will be displayed. And see here, what is the value, which value you have to write, value reference to the point. 0 means beginning of file. Your cursor will be in a starting, beginning of file. 0 means beginning of the file. You can say BOF. You will heard about the BOF means beginning of file. And 1 means current position of the file. Current means whatever your cursor is of which position, that will current position will be display in a file. And 2 is a EOF means end of file. So default value of from what is 0. Default value is a 0. It is a beginning of the file. You can mention the position from what, where you want to get, from current position, from end of file. You can mention from what. See the example of that. Def file underscore this function name, as previous is a different. This is a file name, just file name is changed. And f dot open, this is a file name in readable mode. It is a readable mode. So I am using here this function with the object. This is the object dot 67 means this is a 7th position will be search. F underscore data, this is another variable which is holding whatever read from this object, and it will hold here for printing. And now print content, this text will be remain there, and what it is holding from reading, so it will display. And once it is open, that must be closed. And file here calling. So nothing difference is def with this, only you have to declare and call, and in between whatever you are using on text file, binary file, you can use directly with this. Only this task will also execute it. If you are not defining with the def or calling, only this part will also execute. So here f dot 67 keeps the file pointer at the read the file content of the 8th position. 8th means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 beginning with the 0th position, that is a, and 7 will be the 8th position onward till EOF means end of file. So here contain this text will be in that text file, and result 8th position onward end up. It will search the content from the 8th position of the string. And you can also read accordingly size. Previous class also I have discussed about size. Now I am explaining in detail. in the input function, if you specify the number of bytes, how many character you have stored in that, it will calculate number of bytes. And remember one thing, one character takes a 1 byte. So number, how many characters you have inputted, it calculates the number of bytes. That many number of bytes can be fetched and assigned to the identifier. See how it works. So defining with the def function, this is a file opening in a readable mode, and this is a searching in a 7 means 0 to 8 position, 0 to 7 position, that 8 character will be read, and this value whatever you are reading will be fetched to the in this data, f underscore data. And this is not a keyword, it is a user defined name, and print, this will be printed here with the text. Now it is a opening, file will be closed, and this file will be calling. Same, it is a just like a previous program. See, contents of the f underscore data is a p. P means, see here, p in a which position? I am showing you p. See, it will search from a whatever content here, it will calculate from a search data. Content of this. If it is beginning, 0th position will be p, and if you are searching for a whatever, you are assigning a value, that will search from a 0 to 8th position. Now next, f dot read and f dot read 4 means, what does it? F dot read 2 means it will read a char's byte. It will read a 4 characters with the bytes. I'm showing you example also programs. See here, I have written a, I have make a one program which is in a read binary mode. So f equal, what is f? This is a object. I'm not using a def function here. So f equal open a dot txt. You can write any name here. This is a text file, and this is a read or binary, read and write binary mode. This is the mode I am defining here. And so here f dot tell, this will be whatever you are writing, this will be print by f dot tell. Now print, it is printing. So f dot read 7 means it is a 8th position, 7 character will be read 7 characters. If you are writing number of character, it will read a 7 character. Now here it will tell first, then read, there is a no position, it will display the 0, and searching again with the tell. Now f dot 6 9 comma 0. From 9 I have to move to the beginning 0. 0 means beginning position. So total character are 9, and out of 9 I have to move the cursor in a 0th position. So see here, it is a 0th position. Now print read 5. It will display the character from the 5th position. So next, f dot, it is searching from the total character 4 from first position. Move the 4 position from the current location. Now this will be -5 means from last to first. See here how to search a negative value. If I am searching about this value, so this part will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, just like this. Right to left means end to first, comes which is a negative value. So go to the 5th byte before the end. So f dot close means what is open? File is open. Here it will be closed. Now it is in a write mode. So I have written a line here. Welcome to Python. Anything I can write here. And f dot write lines. This line will be written here close. When I run my program, you can see here searching from, this is a 0 means beginning, and 7 position means that is a 7 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total characters are in a welcome. This is a 7 is showing. And B to Python. So welcome to Python, all 7 plus space also counted. All the characters with the space will be counted. Total are 17. So now it is going to the 0. Then PYT. PYT means 3. If you are writing 3, this is PYT, this character will be retrieved. So from last, that is a one example that was given -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. From last, these characters can be retrieved. So such type of these search and tell with the read function you can use in a Python. And tell function I have also shown to you example of tell. Tell method returns an integer giving the current position of the object in the file. The integer return specifies the number of bytes, means how many characters in your input. So it will count number of bytes from the beginning to the file till the current position of the object. Whatever position is given there, it will count number of bytes with the object given value.